ni Ethan yung nangyayari? He's trying to marry us.
Yeah, there is a wedding right now. Yeah, and you are getting, there is a wedding in Encantadia and I am emo.
Ethan. Okay, let's ask Kylie first. Ladies first.
Hindi niya alam.
Shotgun.
You're marrying us. He doesn't know what's happening.
But Ethan is willing, right, Ethan? Yes?
Huh?
Yeah, we're going to have a TikTok wedding.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Tenen. Ay, graduation pala yun. Graduation pala yun.
Too fast again.
Let's go. Wedding song. Okay, here we go.
Wedding march.
Ten. Here we go.
When I see your face.
Wedding song. Yung Beautiful in White, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful in White. Okay.
Wedding.
All right. Everybody, TikTok Philippines. You are gonna witnessing the best ever moment of TikTok live.
The wedding of Kylie and Ethan.
Asan yung tugtog? Ba't ako yung naglalakad? Ako yung dapat yung pupuntahan niyo.
Sure if you notice, but when we first met, I got so nervous.
Oh, Ethan, Boss Robin is now handling Kylie to you. Say hi to Boss Robin.
That very
Yeah.
Oh, he's so cute. Gigigil ako.
my life had
All right. Now get Kylie now. Put her into your arms. So the two of you is walking now.
long as I live for love.
Mamatay kayo sa inggit, mga diponggol.
You look so beautiful in white.
All right.
And from now to
Moment of silence. Everyone in the building, 3,000, 4,000 viewers, we're going to be witnessing the unbroken and never be broken vow of the two of this. Nagre-reload lang ako ng English, guys, ha? Magre-reload lang ako.
Si Ethan, oras na.
All right, Ethan.
Huh?
Okay. Will you be with Kylie through happiness and sadness, through rich
Yes.
and poor?
Yes.
Yes. Kylie, will you be with Ethan forever and ever through happiness and sadness until she can reach the remote control?
Yes.
All right. Now you may kiss the bride. I announce you husband and wife.
to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish.
Woo!
Beautiful
Iko-content ko to, be, ah. Aray mo. Oy, thank you so much, ah. Grabe. Ay! Honeymoon na. Thank you so much.
Bye na. Mag-honeymoon.
Bye-bye, Ethan and Kylie. Bye-bye.
So I'm wife number 2 now. Wife number 2.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Woo!
Team Kaifan.
Yeah, kaida.
So many hug. Which one?
Oh, very nice. Makita.
사랑해. 자기야,
Ah.
사랑해.
Sa ating kala. When you finish?
I will finish with you. I will also rest.
Me too, right now.
Yes, yes.
Good night,
I'll see
okay?
you later. I'll see you
Okay,
later.
okay, okay.
Okay.
Hey,
Bye-bye.
go West!
Mwah.
Ah!
Mwah.
Mwah.
Bye, Jagia.